Hello, Android users. Here's a solution for fixing a slow or hanging Android phone.
Go to settings, scroll down and you see system, tap developer option, scroll down until you see window animation scale, tap and change to animation scale 5, tap on transition animation scale and change to animation scale 5, tap on animation duration scale and tap on animation scale 5. Come out and see how fast your phone is. Mind you, before you can access the developer option, you need to enable it. There is a video in the video description where I explained, there is a link in the video description which leads to a video where I explain how you can enable developer option. Like and subscribe for more helpful videos.